flux calcine, that means I have already told you that limestone, what actually you are feeding to the limestone and dolomite. This is for the canned to react and float after melting in the induction furnace in the case of spark iron, or here in the case of in the hot zone. Now come to the one by one. Here, whenever air is introduced, this is reacting with the coke at this particular zone and forms the carbon monoxide. And this reaction is an exothermic reaction. This is the source for the heat that is necessary for the solid particles, that is the ore particles, to be melted. And at the top, in the stack, because we are introducing the solids from the top at normal temperature, and by the time it comes here 200 and it comes to up to 570, before 570, these are the reactions that are likely to take place. And above 570, these are the reactions. I am going fast because I wanted to highlight another thing, what we are going to do. All these reactions, Rajshekhar garu and K.V. Satyanarayana garu, they are going to discuss in detail in their papers. So that's why